So this is your spacious living and dining area. You can see lavish kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area. This is your spacious master bedroom. As you can see, there is a hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushri, and today I will be giving you the sample flat tour of One Vara Goregaon East by Vara Group, located at Goregaon East, Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office. Now let me show you the neighborhood. Please check out the neighborhood. So the road on the left hand side takes you to the Western Express Highway. But before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers, because in Housey, listing is done by builders and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. So first one is project overview. This project is being developed on 1 acre of land parcel featuring 1 tower, basement, ground plus 6 podium, 2 floors, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies with jodi options available. Now let's talk about amenities. So here you'll be getting European style 25 plus amenities such as multi-purpose court, kids play area, swimming pool, banquet hall, jogging track, sitting area and many more. Now let's talk about location. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. So this project is located at off General A.K. Vaidya Khadakapada, Goregaon East, Mumbai, with Oberoi Mall 5 minutes, Western Express Highway 5 minutes, and Indochi Metro Station at just 5 minutes. If you're planning to buy a home in Mumbai, I have a strong recommendation for you. Make sure you watch Housey's Heads of Home Buyer series, where many of you home buyers are not really aware of the legal rights. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money will a builder legally deduct? If after possession you face issues such as wall leakages or construction defect, what are the builder's liability? And most importantly, what legal rights do you have as a home buyers? We have explained all the important topics in a very easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I'll suggest you to watch this series at least for once. You'll find the link to the series in the I button above and also in the description below. Now let me show you your smart AI enabled home of 3 BHK with a square feet of 1157. So this is your main entrance. You'll be having a smart lock for your safety purpose, from where you can control your entire home. Now let me show you your spacious living and dining area. So this is your spacious living and dining area. You can see how spacious it is. After placing a 3 sofa, there is still a lot of space to walk over here, and just in front of that you'll be having a TV unit. Now let me tell you the best part of the apartment is by just one command your entire home can work according to your voice. Let me show you. Alexa, cleaning time.
Okay.
You can see just one command, your curtains will be turned off, your lights will be turned on, and it is ready to be cleaned. And you'll be getting an open deck. You can see how spacious it is. So you can see the length of your deck. You can attach a sofa swing over here or a small couch. 2 to 4 couch can easily accommodate over here. You can create your own green space area also like this. You'll be getting a lifetime open view of Sanjay Gandhi National Park and mountains view. So this is the best part for considering. So before you buy a home, you should check out how much ventilation light you'll be giving and how much views you'll be getting from the apartment. Now let me show you your other space and other facilities. So if I say Alexa puja time, so it will automatically turn on the lights and only the puja ghar ka light will be turned on, and Alexa will automatically started playing mantras. So this is a very special technology. Now let me show you your first bedroom. So this is your first bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. After placing a huge king size bed, there is still a lot of space to walk over here. As you can see, you'll be getting a 2-sided dressing table also, where you can convert one side into a work table as well. So in this part, you'll be getting for your TV unit as well. You'll be getting an open deck. And just in front of that, you'll be getting a space for your huge wardrobe. And you'll be getting an attached washroom. Now here you'll be getting a censored light. So as you go closer to your washroom, your lights will be automatically turned on. Now let me show you another best part, that is, if I knock 3 times on my dining table, you can see only dining table lights will be turned on and your kitchen light will be turned on. So this is a spacious dining area where 5 to 6 people can easily accommodate over here and enjoy your meals with your family. Just diagonally opposite to it, you'll be having your lavish kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area. You can see the amount of walkable space over here where 4 to 5 people can easily work over here. You'll be getting 2-sided parallel platform with an upper cabinet and lower cabinet on both the sides. You'll be getting an open deck as well. Have a look to it. And you'll be getting a space for your washing machine as well. And at this corner, you can place up your huge double door refrigerator. Now let me show you your other space. So this is your layout and you'll be having a common washroom. Have a look to it. With anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings, again with an automated light, as you can see. Now let me show you your kids room. So this is your spacious toddler's room. After placing a huge bed, again there is ample of space to walk over here. You can make it as a bunk bed also for your kids. A huge wardrobe space you'll be getting over here. And again an open deck space. And you'll be having a study table as well. Again, I'm going to show you one feature, that is Alexa study time. Okay. So you can see specifically study table light will be turned on for your kids. Now let me show you your master bedroom, but before moving further, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So here's Housey with the actual location tour, sample flat video, actual flat video, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are in Housey itself. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and book your free site visits. Now let's move on to your master bedroom. So this is your spacious master bedroom. As you can see, there is an ample of space to walk over here. You'll be getting a TV unit along with the huge king size bed. And you'll be getting a deck area also. And you'll be getting a huge wardrobe space as well. Now let me show you another feature as well. Alexa, master evening.
Okay.
So as you can see, your curtain will be turned on and your soft lights will be turned on. So in your master bedroom, you have to give Alexa master and then give your command. And in other space, you have to give Alexa and then just your command. Now you'll be getting an attached washroom as well. With again automatic lights, but still it's not working right now. So in your entire home, you'll be getting a wetrified tiles. In your entire washrooms, you'll be getting anti-skid tiles and high-end fitting. So this was your spacious, luxuriously designed 3 BHK apartment. So you can see how spacious it has been designed for your reference. So you can create it according to yourself. So you'll be getting an AI Alexa for your help. So everyone, this was your complete 3 BHK sample flat tour of One Vara, Goregaon East by Vara Group, located at Goregaon East, Mumbai. So if you're looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.